And I've got a couple year-end targets that I'm looking at. And if we do get a small pullback, which I'm not sure if we will, just based on what's going on with the yields and the Fed cutting rates, if we have a slight pullback here, I believe it'll be bought. And I'd look for volatility to end on 10.15 if that were to happen. But my target for December for QQQ is 640. And that's my prediction for the year end on it. Let's see, when is that? That'll be Christmas time, which would be in time for the Christmas rally. And then a few stocks that I talked about earlier or before, SMCI, which is doing well. Bought down here at 44, and it's at 57. I believe that one's still okay. I was looking at Chime, which is a stock that IPO'd back here. And I was kind of thinking that this might be a good investment long term. And then here's another one on semiconductor. Yeah, we're in a good area right here. I believe it's a long-term play too. That will be going up from here, which we could see some volatility in the next week. But overall, I believe the market's going to continue to go up. If we get a slight bump, it's no big deal. The only thing that I'd worry about is the first of the year. And here's something I was thinking about adding tomorrow. I like Amazon going into earnings. Year to date, I think they're only up 2 to 3%. The move's already started happening here. I'm long Amazon. I think we'll come up here and take these highs out. And then from there, who knows? But I believe in the company and I believe in the earnings. If you look back, they're always beating. And if we do get a pop in the VIX, I'd be looking for I don't even know. It looks like we may come down here. But the models that I was using, like the forecast, it was showing that we will have volatility for a week. So, you might have a slight pullback in some. The dollar's been shooting up too. But at the moment, it's not weighing too heavy on stocks. And the 10-year, as long as it kind of stays in this area, I think everything will be good. This is the main driver to watch for. If we get a big breakout, say above this high or something, I think it could cause the market to really have trouble. But long term, I think NASDAQ, QQQ, and just tech stocks in general. NVIDIA had a target of 200 on it, and we're at 192. I think we hit 194 today. And this is the only stock that hasn't really had a big move. I mean, you've had Microsoft and a few others that reported earnings, AMD, Oracle. This is the only stock that has lagged. And I think by year end, NVIDIA will be the leader. So I think there's a catch-up trade here. with the overall tech. And in general, if I wouldn't really be worried about anything until at the first of the year, because policy could change. Um, at the moment, I'm not going to fight the Fed with the Fed cutting rates, even though I feel like all this is hyperinflationary and it's going to lead to higher cost at the store and at the pump. I believe we've already seen that with metals, and I think gas is hopefully bottoming out, and those sectors will take a run too. United Health, and it's doing well. We had a slight pull. I was thinking we'd pull back a little bit more than that, but I'm overall bullish on United Health. But anyways, I want to do a quick update and get it loaded on the computer here. See y'all later.